So, I hear water running. Aha! Here are my children, my two babies out here. Kylie's decided to take it upon herself to hook up the sprinkler, take off her pants, and enjoy. And Sam has decided to join her, fully clothed, probably soaked now. What are you guys up to? What is it? Are you playing? Did you find water? Oh, don't get her wet, Kylie. That's not nice. Ooh, that was cold. Where's your pants, Kylie? They disappeared. Your pants are gone.